Welcome to my unboxing video. This is the tripod that I bought and the ring light box, which has a lot of stuff in it, so let's get into it. So it comes with a bag, a really small cute bag. I think it's supposed to fit the ring light, and then we have the phone holder and another phone holder. The other one, I think the second one, comes with a mini tripod, which is super cool. It also comes with a remote control whenever you're fine, you want to control and take pictures or start a video, so that you won't need to go back and forth if you're using your phone. It comes with a mini instructions, which is super cute. This thingy is supposed to support the tripod or the phone holder. I call it a thingy because I don't know what it is, honestly. So as you can see, the phone holder is adjustable. You can take it off, you can take it on. And then we have the microphone. I actually bought this tripod because it came with a microphone and also a mini tripod, which is super handy because most of the time I use the bigger tripod for the ring light and I do not have the other one to hold my phone. So these are bonuses, the tripod and the microphone. And here is the ring light. Super basic, honestly, but it does do a good job. Let's open the tripod. Let's see. It comes with a bag, as you can see. Let's open the bag. I'm feeling a lot of paper. Yeah, I need it. A lot of paper. As you can see, the tripod is adjustable. It's supposed to reach 2 meters tall. Actually taller than me when I'm standing. So this is everything.